Hey guys, welcome to this short video where I will be walking you through this new course that is called Clicks, Conversions and Clients. Now before we start, I would highly recommend you to watch the first video of this series where I have actually gone through what this course stands for and how it is very important for you. But if you don't have the time, I can understand it. So let me get you a brief about what this Clicks, Conversions and Clients actually is. So basically this is a course designed for everyone who is into Facebook ads, no matter what the experience, right? So this course is actually created by David Schloss and Matt Stefanick, the two individuals that you can look in the screen right now. And as you can see, they have this about the host and stuff, which you can check for yourself. I have actually mentioned the link in the description below and you can just watch for yourself. But the beauty of this is, this guy actually, David Schloss, is one of the biggest success stories when it comes to Facebook ads, right? Like you can just read for yourself that he's the guy who's spending $25 million per year in ads and creating a living out of it, right? Like he's very successful, and most of the entrepreneurs and high profile authors actually hire him to do the ads for them, right? He actually has a site which is called Convert ROI, which you can see right here, and he has enough testimonials to prove that he's actually good at Facebook ads and also Instagram, right? And he has also created some case studies which you can look for yourself. I will mention the link in the description below, and you can just learn from him if you want to. But the beauty of it is, like, he's actually training you and he's actually giving all of his inputs and insights to all of you guys to learn from. So this is one thing that you shouldn't be missing out on, right? And as we are speaking, he has actually enrolled out a new training series which is completely free and live right now. And in the first video itself I covered it, and I have actually shared the link there, but I will again give the link out into the description below, and you can watch the video for yourself and can see what you can get out from it, right? So as you can see, if you just follow the link in the description below, you can just come into this web page, and all you can see is this intro video, which I highly recommend you to watch, where you can understand what this course is about and what you can get out from it, right? And after it, if you want to get to the video one right there and then, you can just click on get access, and all you have to do is just enter your email and enter your first name, and you will be given an entry to the video one itself, which is this right here, and the title of the video is what ad type should I use, right? And it's actually a very informative video. I have actually watched it, and I'm being a beginner, I have learned a whole lot from it, right? So even if you're a beginner or an advanced into Facebook ads, you can learn a lot and you can get huge information from this particular video itself. And as I said, this is a 3 video part training series. So the second video would be out on 18 September, and I will be creating another video to brief you through each and every aspects of that too. So as you can see, you can just check it out for yourself. You will be you are given the link, you can just go there, you can check out for yourself if the video is worth it or not, and you can just comment in this video below about how you felt about it. And also the beautiful part is, if you just give your email and just enroll into the video 1, you will be also getting a bonus, which is the 15-part audience blueprint, which is also a video, and you can get some extensive knowledge out of it. So I highly recommend that for the value provided and everything, I would definitely want you to just check it out and jump the wagon, right? You just get into it, enroll yourself. All it takes is your email ID, right? And what's the harm, right? You are actually getting the free training, and if you are not satisfied, be it, right? You don't have to do anything. But I highly recommend at least taking the action, just clicking the link in the description below and watching what they stand for and what this course is actually about. And if you like the course, which I think you definitely will, then do comment in the comment section below and tell me how you felt about it. Thank you guys, and I hope this video helped you. And if you want more references and resources on all this Facebook ads mastery, I will give it more to you. And Like I will also be coming out with all the bonuses and tools necessary for you to get very good at Facebook ads. Now I'm not someone who is actually very interested in Facebook and stuff as per se, but I know these guys, and these guys are actually some of the best in the industry. And if given the chance, if I had the interest, I would be in here too, right? But regardless, I think that anyone who's interested in Facebook and Instagram ads should definitely check this out. And like, they are actually coming out with this whole course designed for you to create some good income through the said platforms, right? So I'm also going to add on to all of those by giving you even more tools and bonuses which can help you even more, and like just get you in there and help you in create more money for yourself, right? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be back for the second video where I will be walking you through what it is. And right now all I can say is just check the video 1 of this series, which is called what ad type should I use, and you'll get a definite idea about how to begin the process, right? So thank you guys, I hope you like this video, and I will catch you later on 18th of September.